Welcome back to my channel. Okay, as you can see here, we have the stir fry getting ready. The steak is already almost done, and I got the vegetables already. I'm gonna flip the camera. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to activate the bell so you can know when I'm uploading something on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to ring my bell and share my channel. So here is the rest of this recipe for the steak fajitas. So as you can see, the fajitas are already cooked. They're slightly browned. And they are yummy. As you can see, this is healthy. There is no oil.
What is that then?
This is just
Sizzling.
this is what releases off of its own meat. That's why I put the bone so that it could come off of it. See how it's coming right off the bone? Look at that. See?
So the fat transfers to the
Uh-huh.
How do you know that?
Look, see? Okay, so hold the phone. I'm going to go ahead and transfer over now the vegetables over to the fajitas.
Wow. So cool.
So we'll just let those cook together for a few more minutes. And there you have your easy steak fajita recipe. So delicious. And then you just heat up some tortillas and some salsa or some guacamole, whatever you want. And you have an easy, delicious recipe. So thank you for subscribing to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And I'll see you in the next, on the next buzz.